How to change account location in Roblox. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your location in Roblox. So if your account is showing the wrong country or you've moved to a new one, follow along step by step and I'll walk you through how to fix it. Alright, let's get started. First, go to roblox.com using any browser on your computer or phone. Chrome, Safari, anything works. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, click the gear icon at the top right. Select Settings from the drop-down. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see your account location. But here's the thing. You can't change it directly from here. There's no drop-down or edit option. So, we'll need to use Roblox support to change it manually. Scroll down the page and click on Help. In the search bar, type Location and find the article about changing your account location. Inside the article, look for a link that says Submit a support form, or you can go directly to roblox.com/support. Once you're on the support page, fill out the form like this. Enter your username, first name, and email address. Confirm your email. Choose your device, PC, phone, etc. Under Type of Help, select Category, How To. Subcategory, Change My Location. Now in the description box, explain what's going on. Here's an example message you can use. Hi Roblox support. My account is currently set to old location, but I've recently moved to new location. I'd like to update my account location and can provide documentation if needed. Or, if it's just wrong, hi, my account location is set to wrong country by mistake. I'm actually based in correct country and would like it updated. Please let me know if you need any documents. After submitting the form, Roblox support will usually get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes sooner. Once they approve the change, your account location will be updated. And that's it. That's the easiest and official way to change your Roblox country or region.